first-class municipality and the capital town of Camarines Norte. Its settlement pattern is described as Dait-Dait or Tait-Tait, which means close to each other, symbolizing unity among its people. Daiteños has a deep sense of patriotism that the revolution was staged in this town on April 14 to 18 of 1898, known as the 1898 Daet Revolt. Although it was short-lived, it signaled the beginning of end of the Spanish colonial rule in the Bicol region and strongly catalyzed to the national upheaval. As a result, is the erection of a monument in honor of the martyred national hero Jose Rizal. The first of the many monuments of Rizal unveiled on December 30 of 1892, 2 years after his execution in Bagumbayan or Luneta. The rich history of Daet and the great talent of its people is truly worth showcasing, specifically the local dances such as Dait-Dait and Jota Camarines, depicting his joyous tradition and way of life that has evolved to this generation. The friendly Daeteños that came from the Bicol term Daet, meaning to make friends, is as sweet as Queen Formosa, a local variety of pineapple abundantly grown in the province, traded and gained popularity in Daet. The bountiful harvest and the significant contribution of pineapple industry in the local economy is celebrated in the month of June, coinciding the feast of Daet's patron saint, Saint John the Baptist. Locally known as Minyasan, this festivity is first showcased in 1993 and was recognized as the oldest festival in Camarines Norte. Queen Formosa's characteristic of being small is comparable to Daet, being second to the smallest town among the 12 municipalities. The crisp and sweet taste symbolizes the resiliency of its people amidst the changing times, while the colorful Binyasan celebration describes the varied potentials of Daet for tourism, both of its natural attractions and of its creative talents. The contribution of Daet to the cultural heritage of Camarines Norte is truly remarkable. The collaboration of Daeteños describe the progress it continuously achieved. From the home of the first Rizal Monument, the home of the Philippines' first survey, and the home of the sweetest pineapple in Camarines Norte. Tara na! Bisitahin ang tunay na kagandahan ng Daet. Tapos pupa mo sa Daet, the home of the first Binyasan Festival!